Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video of Microsoft PowerPoint. If you don't know what Microsoft PowerPoint is, it's basically like a software which you can animate things or create new things. Similar to Word. It's also called Microsoft Word, and it's also another software. So as you can see in this video, I'm going to be using Microsoft PowerPoint to animate something and create something which will move an object. So our animation for today is going to be a ball bouncing down a staircase. And the staircase is going to look 3D, and it's going to have a texture, a nice wooden texture. So as you can see, I'm on Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is my page. So as you can see, my page is plain and there's nothing on it. So now we're going to start. So first of all, I need to delete all of this. So I select it all, delete. Now it's all gone. So now my page is blank still. So I think we should start. So these are all the settings for your animations and stuff. So first we need to go on to design. Then we go to background colors. These are all the colors for the background. Well, you don't need any of these. We need to go to format background. See, so there's fill, picture corrections, picture color, artist effects, but we just need to go on to fill. So next we need to choose our color. So these are all the colors, but in this video, I'm going to be choosing light blue. Perfect. So now I have to press close. And now my page is blue, light blue. But there's still nothing because it's just plain. There's no objects or anything. So I think now is the time to make our staircase. So first we go into insert. Insert has everything to put on your your blank page or anything, so it looks better. So we're not going to choose any of these. We're going to choose shapes. Then we have to choose freeform in this. So you go on to lines, then the second to last one is freeform. So we have to draw our staircase straight, and it has to be perfect. No wiggly lines or anything. So I press and then start. Let's start our staircase. First line done. See, it has to be straight and perfect. Second line done. Third line done. Just a bit too long. Yeah. That slowly and carefully, and your lines have to be straight, like a real staircase. I think that's And as you can see, my staircase is nearly done. So now I need to draw my base. It needs to be straight too. Yeah, perfect. And then my height. Yeah, so now my staircase is done. But it seems like my staircase isn't touching the bottom. So that's not a problem. We can edit that or something. So I have to select it and then drag it down. Has to be perfect again. And then, yeah, done. My staircase is at the bottom. Maybe you can make our staircase a bit longer and high. Yeah, so that's better. So our staircase is finally done. Yeah. So now we have to... Our staircase doesn't look realistic or 3D, does it? It has no texture. It just has a dull blue, dark blue color. So we can edit that too. So for that, we need to go on to Format Tools. If we don't select it, Format Tools isn't there, so we can't press onto it, go onto it or anything. So we have to select it, and then go onto Format Tools. So this one. So these are all the options for your your drawing. So there are a lot of things here, but we only need one thing for this drawing. So we need to go on to shape fill. It basically fills our staircase. So we don't need any of these. It needs to look realistic and have a texture. So the last one, texture. Then these are all the options, but we don't need any of them. I mean, we need one of them. We don't want marble because marble's a bit too light. We need like a dark texture, not this. Walnut looks perfect for a staircase. So we just click onto it and then there it is. But still there seems to be a problem. The staircase doesn't look 3D. So we still need to go onto Format Tools, and we're already on it because we needed to fill our staircase. So we don't need to go onto Shape Fill again. We need to go onto Shape Effect. So it's basically the last one here. Then we don't need any of these. We need to go on to Bevel. Then the second one, this one, Angular. Then we still need to make it a bit more 3D. We need to see the top view of it. So we go on to Format Picture. So these are all the settings for the picture. There are so many of them, but we don't need any of them. We just need to go onto 3D format. So we just click onto that. And here's all the color 3D here. So this is all the settings for the 3D format. So this is where we have to go. Width, height. Oh yeah. So the bottom width, height, and the top width, height. But we need to concentrate on the top, because if we see the bottom, it doesn't. It's more important to see the top than the bottom, because the bottom's already obviously still covered in a staircase. So we need to change this. Delete that. 34. And then for the so then I go on to height. 9, and then I press close. And then now, or maybe we don't need the height. Maybe we don't need to change the height because it's kind of looking awkward. We go through 3D format, and then, which one was it? 6, right? What if we do, okay, we'll just keep it to 6. Okay, close. Yeah, so now it's looking 3D, right, guys? So our staircase is finally done. It has texture. It's 3D. It feels like it's real. So now we need to. The picture's looking a bit dull. Let me just increase the height. Yeah. So now it's looking better. So as I said, it has texture and it looks 3D. This is the important part for our animation. So our picture's looking a bit dull, doesn't it? It needs like a photo and a frame. It needs a frame. So we select, for this, first we need to choose a picture before we choose our frame. So we're going to insert, because insert is where you can put things in your picture. So we need to go on to clip art, where you can find all your things. So we don't need, we need a flower picture, just something else. You guys can choose something else. You can choose something else if you want. You don't need to choose a flower, but because like I'm choosing a flower, I'm just choosing a flower just like that. So we need to keep this for our ball. So maybe this one looks, no, this one looks good. Or maybe this one. Oh, that's too big. Let's see if there are more options. There are more options. Like this. Nah, that's not good. This one, no. We don't want anything like that. Let's see if there are more. No, wait. Oh. No, I think that's enough. Now it looks good. Wait, or maybe we can go to design. So now it's looking a bit more fancy. I mean, like, it looks a bit nicer. So there's a frame and the staircase looks 3D and it has a texture, a walnut texture. Like all staircases, most staircases do have. So now, for the most important part, we need a board. So as I said, we need to go to clip art and then search for our board. So let's do it. So I delete this. BALL. And then I press go or enter, whatever. So there are lots of balls, pictures of balls, but all of these are small, and this one isn't just like a normal ball, a football. It isn't a football. So we need a football. So these are too small, and this is not a football. So this looks like a football, a soccer ball, should I say. So we click onto it, and then now our ball is here. So now we can close this. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So now we can close it. So now we have a ball, a frame, and a staircase. So our ball isn't like proper because like it has like a shadow. Oh sorry, let me just, yeah. So it has like a shadow here. So we don't want that while we're doing our animation, right? It won't look good. So first we need to right click, then all the settings are here, but we need to go to group and we have to ungroup the picture. Yes. So it doesn't look like it's ungrouped, but so we have to press onto this, the shadow thing, and then we delete. Now it's gone. Oh, we press into it again and then delete again. So now it looks perfect. Just one ball, normal 3D ball. Also the ball looks 3D too, right? So that's good. Oh wait, wait. 1 second guys. The staircase will do. Yeah, so I'll just, yeah, so our ball is looking 3D, our staircase is looking 3D, and our frame is looking good 3D too. So we put the ball at the top of the staircase where it should be in our animation while we start. But there's one thing missing. If we try our animation, nothing happens. The ball doesn't fall. I mean, bounce down the stairs because it's not animated yet. So we need to go onto animations. If you don't select the ball or the object you want to animate and go onto animations, you can't press onto anything. So you have to select the object and then go to animations, and then all of it's here. So, but we don't need any of them. We need to press onto more options. All of these animations, there are so many, but we need to go onto one of these. Not this one, not this one, not this one, but the last, but the last one. The what? More motion paths. Because our ball is going to like bounce down the stairs. So we need to find a motion which has bounce right. It's right here. So we press onto it, but it doesn't, all the options for the motions isn't going. So we have to press OK. So the software knows that we need this motion. So we need to, so when you go to animations now, oh wait, I think I got two. Delete. Oh wait, let's do it again because something went wrong. So remember, we go on to animations, then more options, then we go on to more motion paths. Then we go on to this. So then we press on to bounce right, sorry, and then press OK, so the software knows we need it. So, but if we go on to animation, our animation, and then press it, nothing, the ball doesn't bounce a lot, and it doesn't go down the stairs. So we need to, like, you know, make it longer. So we make the length, but now it seems like the ball is going, when we press onto our animation, this cup thing, it's like our ball is falling off the stairs. It's not on the stairs when our ball should be on the stairs, right? So let's do it. We need to make this at a proper height, and then it seems like we have to turn it kind of. Then put it here. but now it's looking like the ball is. It's like somebody has thrown the ball in the air and it comes down. But we need the ball just falling down. So we need to turn it a tiny bit. And this needs to go up. Oh, sorry, I selected the staircase. So we need to put this up. Tiny bit again. Tiny bit again. Now it looks perfect, right, guys? So now it looks perfect. So let's try it and see if it's perfect. We need to make it a bit bouncier, so it actually looks like a ball is falling down, bouncing down. So we need to like make it a bit more bouncier, look a bit more bouncier. Maybe like this. Oh, what just happened? Oh, it seems like I made a mistake. So you don't need to worry, you just press Control Z. So everything like comes how you wanted it to be. Like So let's make it bouncy. Bounce. A bit more higher. I think now it's going to be good. Or maybe we should just... Yep, so now it might look good, better. So let's try it. So you just press the space bar. See? And now it looks better. But it's like the ball starts from the air, right? So we need to like lower it, kind of. Thing. Oh, but it goes too low. Control Z. Oh, I think I did it too many times. So I want to put the ball in like that. Oh, but maybe the ball is a bit too low. So we should make this higher. Let's make the staircase a bit higher. So now it should be better. Let's see if we can like edit points. Yeah, maybe we can edit points. So maybe now it can look a bit realistic. So there should be a bounce there too. No, it should go here. No, this should go a bit higher. This should have a bit more bounce. This should have a bit more bounce too. Whoa. Yeah. Oh no. Yep. It's looking good. This should be touching the bottom. Okay, guys, let's try now. Yeah, so now it's looking a bit more better. Or maybe, can we, let's just, that point is looking a bit bumpy. Yeah, now it's done. So as you can see, we made a ball bounce down a staircase, and the staircase is looking 3D and it has like a proper texture, and there's even a frame like just to make the picture look, animation look a bit more fancier. So as you can see, our animation is nearly finished. I just need to make this jump a little higher. So our animation is finished. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye. Have a nice day.